Do you want to know how you can add a new card or new card details on your Amazon Prime Video account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add the new card details on Amazon Prime Video. Go ahead and open Prime Video, which is on your phone, and then tap on Profile on the top right hand side. Go to Settings and go to My Account. Then go to Manage Account and you can see Set a Payment Method. Go ahead and tap on it. You can see at the end Add a Payment Method. Tap on Add a Payment Method. Now you can add a debit or credit card. So you can see, if you tap on it, you can use the name on account, or you can write down a new name for your new card which you are going to enter. So the first step is to write down your name on card, then write down your card number. After that, turn your card around and you can see the expiry date behind it. Go ahead and select the expiration date and click on Use as my default payment, or else you can just unselect it and click Add your card. And this way you can add a new card on your Amazon Prime Video account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.